What's the meaning of Black Muslim? Black Muslim. Black Muslim.
Black Muslim. Black Muslim. Black Muslim refers to a group of African American Muslims who follow the teachings of Islam. They are also known as the Nation of Islam and are distinct from mainstream Islamic traditions. The movement was founded in the early 20th century by Wallace Fard Muhammad and gained popularity under the leadership of Malcolm X. They have their own religious beliefs and practices, including racial separation and the rejection of traditional Christianity. Black Muslims have also been active in social justice movements, advocating for civil rights and addressing issues such as police brutality and systemic racism. Overall, Black Muslim encompasses a complex history and cultural identity within the United States.